is, ultimately access to more resources. As you guys get further in your career, you're gonna realize it's the game of not necessarily what you know, but who you know. And even more so real estate agent. Myself as a certified financial education instructor, I built this resource for people. And if you can do yourself that favor before you're 30 to be at step 4, you will be in an amazing position for the rest of your life. So what's next for us? Nova Sound Games. I spoke to
Looked at kind of like games and movies and things of that nature. So I kind of thought about, we don't see a whole lot of like futuristic zombie apocalypse. So I thought about
just pretty recently, just meeting a girl. So it's definitely about a girl, but just writing it. I actually had a couple other people over help me write it. Had some people over to listen to it.
So these are some of my references. I'm going to pull up the reference images themselves in just a second, but I'm going to hide these again. So cameras, lights, and image planes. So
when he fights. So I thought that'd be cool with this guy, but I was like, he needs a cool weapon. So I thought a chain with like a big heavy weight to it would be cool. It's not a bomb, it's a weight, that little spark there. It's just like a shiny part. And then I like